Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to install Twenty CRM on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll be ready to start using it.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
After updating the packages, install the required utilities using the following command. Next, let's add the Docker GPG key. Use these commands. Add the Docker repository, update the packages, and install Docker and Docker Compose with these commands. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Let's set up the working directory, create a project folder and navigate into it. Next, download the 20 configuration file using these two commands. Generate a secret key and save it, as you will need it later. Open the configuration file using this command. Here you can insert the generated key, database, password, and your server IP address. Make sure to specify the key and don't forget to uncomment it. Next, start the container using this command. Open your web browser and navigate to your server IP address and the port 3000. Complete the registration and you're good to go. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.